Alright, what's up everybody? We're here at the A Academy and we're kicking off Autism Awareness Month. Let's do it.
Why are we doing this? Well, for you guys, of course. We are kicking off Autism Acceptance and Awareness Month.
Some people dream of success, while you're going to wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible. You should get to the point where anyone else would quit, and you're not going to stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Do it! Mic check, mic check. Does anybody here like free stuff? You guys mic. Hold on. You guys mic. Let's see what we got here. Headphones. And over here, the handsome challenger on the left. What is your name, sir?
Everybody give it up for Devin!
Get this guy a job on the radio. I'll try my hardest not to twerk. What I have is a crispy $100 bill. Who wants it? Oh. And I was terrified because I didn't see this man beast boy come out of nowhere. And I looked up at him, and he looked down at me. And I'll never forget what he said. He looked down. He looked way down. How many of you sitting here right now have ever been told you can't do something? Both hands? Look around. Almost everyone's hand is up. I don't know you, but I'm about to go Big Brother Jesse on you right now, okay? So listen up. Don't let someone's words be a priority to you when all you are to that person is an option. You can get bitter or you can get better. It's easy to get bitter. It's what most people do today. You make excuses, you blame other people. I can tell you from personal experience, oftentimes, right on the other side of fear, right on the other side of that thing that scares you the most, can be everything you ever wanted in life. All right, let's get this over. Okay, Oregon wants to stand so bad. Okay, sit back down. And sometimes it's just a few seconds of courage standing in between you and your dream. I'm telling you, people thought I was nuts. But I realized at a young age that if I wasted all my time worrying about what everyone else around me thought, I'd never get what I wanted out of my own life. I'm here to tell you guys, if you choose to get better, there's no telling what you're capable of. One man thought he could. One man thought he couldn't. They both were right. And I want to show you guys what that's meant for me through basketball. The thing I was told my whole life that I wasn't supposed to be able to do. And in that moment, that one little decision completely changed the direction of my life forever. And I want to ask you guys right now, what are people telling you that you can't do? Give yourself a round of applause.